Hello students, welcome to the next lecture of Boolean algebra. In the last lecture we have done with the introduction to Boolean algebra. In this lecture we will study standard forms, that is SOP and POS. See, canonical forms, these are the very basic forms. This obtained from the truth table of the function. Right, we have studied truth table in the last lectures. These forms are usually not used to represent the function, as they are very cumbersome to write, and it is preferable to represent the function in the least number of literals. Means we have to minimize the expression as much as possible. Right, there are two type of standard forms. Number one, sum of product. Second is product of sum. As the name indicates, a Boolean expression involving and terms with one or more literals or together. Product of sum, a Boolean expression involving all terms with one or more literals each ANDed together. Now, see the difference between both SOP and POS. A method of describing a Boolean expression using a set of minimum terms or product terms. In this case, we are using the maximum terms or sum terms. Second point, we write the product terms for each input combination only that gives the high output. Means in front of 1, we are always taking it as output. In front of 0, we are always taking it as output. We take the input variables if the value is 1 and write the complement of the variable if the value is 0 when writing the minimum terms. We take the input variables if the value is 0 and write the complement of the variable if the value is 1 when writing the maximum terms. Now, final expression is obtained by adding the product terms. Here final expression is obtained by multiplying the sum terms. Next, these are the canonical forms, and recently we are talking about minimum terms and maximum terms. For the 3 variable, how many truth table combinations are there? Total 8. See, these are the combinations. Now, for this, these are the minimum terms, these are the maximum terms. These are the designations, or we can say notations, for the SOP and POS. Denoted by M0, M1, that is SOP. And this is POS, that is product of sum. It is denoted by capital M, 0, M1, M2, and so on. Now, this here, this is 0 is denoted by bar. So that means X bar, Y bar, Z bar. Here that is X bar, Y bar, 1 is denoted by Z without bar. Same way we can represent the minimum terms for the other combinations. And here how we are going to write it out? See, 0 is denoted by simply X plus Y plus Z. But 1 is denoted by bar. So this is about the 1. Same way we can denote it for the others. Question can be asked in a variety of ways, either using SOP or using POS. The point is that, see, in this truth table we have 2 inputs. What are those inputs? A and B. If 2 inputs are there, then how many combinations are there? Only 4. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. See, this is the output function for this truth table. And what is the output? 0, 1, 0, 1. So for the SOP, we have to write out the output where the output is coming 1. So for this is M0, this is M1, this is M2 and this is M3. So the output will come in front of which terms? M1 and M3. So that is M1 and this is M3. So this term will come A dash B and this term will AB. So take the common B. A plus A dash is 1. So final minimized expression is B. Now the next question, simplify the expression. We have the question in this way also. So this is the expression. Question can be asked in this way. YAB. Y is the output function. A and B are 2 inputs. Means it is for the 2 variable. Summation means we have to solve it using SOP. and the which one terms the output is 1 at 0, 2 and 3. First prepare the truth table. See how I am going to prepare the truth table. So this is M0, M1, M2 and M3. So for which terms, that is 0 means here is 1, here is 1 and here is 1 except at 1th position. Now M0 plus M2 plus M3, just such as A dash B dash, AB dash plus AB. Take the common as B dash. A plus A dash is 1 plus AB. So final minimized answer is A plus B dash. Next, for the 3 variable. Now again the truth table is given to you, and 3 variable, how many total combinations are there? 8. So this is the output function. Output function is f. For which terms? M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6 and M7. Now for which terms the output is coming 1 at M2, M4, M5, M6 and M7. So this is M2, this is M4, M5, M6 and M7. So just prepare this and solve it step by step. See the solution here. The solution is, take the common as AB dash, C plus C dash is 1. Take the common AB, C plus C dash is again 1. So AB dash plus AB, take the common A, B plus B dash is 1. Now this is the, after using the distributive law, this is the minimized expression for this truth table. Your answer is A plus BC dash. Now the question can be asked in this way also. You have just given the designations here, M2 plus M4 plus M5 plus M6, M7, that we have write out here also. Means in front of these terms the value is 1. Now see, question can be asked in this way also. If, that is summation, summation means using SOP. M, at which position the 1 is coming? 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in this way the question can be asked. This is about the soft form. Next we are going to study about the pause form. See, the truth table again is given to you. We have to minimize this expression, that is product of sum. See, 2 inputs are there, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. These are the outputs. Now, for which output we have to solve it where the 0 is coming. See, this is M0, M1, M2 and M3. So here is M1 and M3. So this is M1 and this is M3. Now see, here 0 is simply A plus B bar. A bar plus B bar. Just apply the distributive law. B bar plus A bar. A bar is 0. So after minimization your answer is B bar. Or the question can be asked in this way, that is product of sum is represented using the symbol pi, and at which position 0 is coming, output is coming M1 and M3. Or the question can be asked in this way also, pi M1 comma 3. The next question, for this truth table the output function is f. Now at which position we have to write it out? These 3 position, that is M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6 and M7. See, for which position we have to write out? M0, M1 and M3. So this is M0, this is M1 and this is M3. Write out A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C bar, A plus B bar plus C bar. So do it. A plus B plus C bar. C bar is 0. So write out A plus B. The second terminal is same. Now apply the distributive law as we have applied earlier also. A plus B into B bar plus C bar. A plus BB bar is 0 plus BC bar. So A plus BC bar, ultimately we have to write out the answer in the pause form, that is A plus B into A plus C bar. So that's what about this pause form. In the next lecture we will do K-maps, 2 variable, 3 variable and 4 variable. Thank you very much.